Number 7. Arch Method 143. Get ready to witness the epitome of motorcycle luxury and performance. The Arch Method 143. This handcrafted masterpiece, designed by Keanu Reeves himself, isn't just a ride, it's an experience. At its heart roars a monstrous 2,343cc S&S cycle engine, unleashing a symphony of raw power that will leave your heart pounding. The carbon fiber monocell chassis is a work of art, combining lightness, strength, and futuristic design. The top-shelf Öhlins suspension and BST carbon fiber wheels ensure you'll slice through corners with surgical precision. This level of exclusivity comes at a price. The Arch Method 143 commands a staggering $250,000. But with only 23 of these machines ever produced, it's not just about owning a motorcycle, it's about joining an elite club of riders who demand the absolute best. Number 6. Ducati Panigale V4R. Hold onto your helmets, because the Ducati Panigale V4R is pure Italian fury unleashed on two wheels. This track-focused weapon is derived from Ducati's World Superbike Championship machines. At its heart beats the 998cc Desmosedici Stradale R engine, a symphony of mechanical precision that screams all the way to an ear-splitting 16,500 RPM red line. The Panigale V4R isn't just about power, it's about finesse. The chassis, refined through years of racing experience, is designed for agility and laser-sharp handling. Aerodynamics are sculpted for maximum downforce, keeping this beast planted on the tarmac at insane speeds. Race-grade Öhlins suspension and Brembo brakes give you the control you need to push the limits. Of course, this level of track-bred pedigree comes at a cost. Expect to shell out around $40,000 for the privilege of owning a Panigale V4R. But for die-hard Ducati fans and track day enthusiasts, this masterpiece of Italian engineering is an investment in pure, heart-pounding exhilaration. Number 5. BMW M1000. Gearheads, get ready to meet the BMW M1000RR, a Bavarian track beast born from a lineage of racing dominance. This machine takes the legendary S1000RR and pushes it to the absolute limit. The heart of this monster is a 999cc inline-4 engine derived from BMW's World Superbike Championship machines, producing an eye-watering 212 horsepower. But power is nothing without control, and the M1000RR is packed with cutting-edge electronics and a chassis tuned to slice through corners with surgical precision. The true beauty of the M1000RR lies in its attention to detail. Carbon fiber winglets generate downforce that defies gravity, while M-Performance brakes provide mind-bending stopping power. And let's talk about exclusivity. To own this track-focused missile, you'll need to cough up around $35,000. The BMW M1000RR isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A statement that you demand the very pinnacle of performance and won't compromise for anything less. Number 4. Aprilia RS V4 1100 Factory. Prepare to fall in love with pure Italian passion. The Aprilia RS V4 1100 Factory. This track-bred beauty has its roots in Aprilia's legendary superbike racing dominance. At its core lies a 1099cc V4 engine, a symphony of mechanical fury that belts out over 215 horsepower. But the RS V4 1100 Factory isn't just about brute force, its sophisticated electronics suite and razor-sharp chassis deliver precision handling that will redefine your understanding of cornering speed. This attention to detail extends to the aerodynamics, where sleek winglets generate downforce for unparalleled stability. The top-of-the-line Öhlins suspension keeps the tires glued to the tarmac, while Brembo brakes offer unmatched stopping power. And as you'd expect, this level of Italian craftsmanship comes at a cost. The Aprilia RS V4 1100 Factory will set you back around $26,000. But for riders who crave the purest expression of Italian performance and soul-stirring sound, this masterpiece is worth every penny. Number 3. Damon Hypersport Premier. Forget everything you think you know about electric motorcycles, the Damon Hypersport Premier is about to redefine the game. This technological marvel isn't just about blistering acceleration, it's about revolutionizing safety and rider experience. The heart of the Hypersport Premier is a powerful electric motor and high-density battery pack, delivering insane performance on par with gas-powered superbikes. But what sets the Hypersport apart is its groundbreaking co-pilot system. With 360-degree radar, cameras, and sensors, it constantly monitors your surroundings, alerting you to potential hazards. The revolutionary shift technology allows you to adjust the ergonomics on the fly, transforming the bike from a comfortable cruiser to an aggressive track weapon at the touch of a button. All of this innovation comes at a cost. The Damon Hypersport Premier starts at around $40,000. But for riders seeking the bleeding edge of performance, safety, and technology, the Hypersport Premier isn't just a motorcycle, it's a glimpse into the future. Number 2. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Get ready to witness the epitome of two-wheeled insanity, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R. This track-only monster isn't for the faint of heart, it's a force of nature unleashed. At its core lies a supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine, a symphony of mechanical fury that belts out a mind-bending 310 horsepower. But raw power is useless without control, so Kawasaki has thrown every trick in the book at the H2R. The carbon fiber bodywork isn't just for show, it's a masterpiece of aerodynamic efficiency, generating downforce to help keep this beast glued to the tarmac at staggering speeds. The trellis frame provides unparalleled rigidity, and the top-shelf suspension ensures you can carve through corners with precision born from Kawasaki's racing dominance. This level of unhinged performance doesn't come cheap. Expect to pay around $55,000 for the privilege of owning an H2R. Number 1. MTT 420RR. If you thought the motorcycles we've covered so far were extreme, brace yourself for the MTT 420RR, a machine that redefines the concept of a motorcycle. This beast isn't powered by a traditional engine. Instead, it harnesses the insane power of a Rolls-Royce 250C20B turbine engine, the kind usually found in helicopters. This powerhouse screams out an astonishing 420 horsepower and a monstrous 500 lb-ft of torque. The 420RR is less about precision handling and more about pure, unadulterated speed. The elongated chassis is designed for stability at mind-bending velocities, and the lack of a traditional gearbox means it's a roll-on power experience like nothing else on the planet. Forget sleek aerodynamics. The MTT 420RR is all about imposing presence and otherworldly sound. Naturally, owning a turbine-powered land rocket isn't for everyone. If you have around $300,000 burning a hole in your pocket and a thirst for the absolute extreme, the MTT 420RR is unlike anything else you've ever experienced. If you thought those machines were insane, wait till you see what we have coming next. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment telling us which of these bikes was your favorite.